welcome to Mooboo's kitchen. Today, all these gorgeous ingredients you see here are going to be making Saag chicken, but not just any Saag chicken, but oven cooked Saag chicken. Let me just run through the ingredients with you. So here I've got 800 grams of chicken thigh, which I have just halved. You can use any chicken, you don't have to use thigh, breast will do. To that I added 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and I'm just going to mix that and leave it aside to marinate. On to the other ingredients. So here I have got 200 grams of white onions, which I have blitzed finely. I have got 1 stick of cinnamon, 4 cardamom pods and 1 bay leaf, which I've just ripped up. Here I've got 2 inches of ginger. I also have 10 garlic cloves, which I have blitzed also. Here I've got spinach, which is approximately 500 grams of frozen spinach. All I did was thawed them out in the microwave and I blitzed everything, so it's really nice and fine. I've also got spices here, so 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. I've got 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I also have 1 level tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt, half a cup of chopped tomatoes, which I have blitzed also. In a nice big oven-proof pan, I have got about 3/4 of a cup of oil heating up. It needs to be nice and hot, and we are going to be using the oven, which is at the moment preheating at gas mark 7 to cook our saag. That oil is nice and hot, so I'm going to go in with my ginger first. Then I'm going to quickly go in with my garlic. After which I'm going to go in with my onions and then my spices. Give everything a good stir until those onions, ginger and garlic start to turn golden. You see that your onions have turned a nice golden colour, but not too golden. You're going to add your chopped tomatoes. Give everything a good mixy as we do it in Mooboo's kitchen. Mixy done. Add your spices. All in people. More mixing. Turn that gas to a nice slow. And just cook those spices, those onions out in that oil with the tomatoes. I've only given it a couple of minutes, then I'm going to go in with my spinach. If it gets in. Mix people. Mix like a maniac. Right, once everything is sufficiently mixed, you need to add a pint of water. Apologise. The spices have just gone right up my nose. More mixing people. Right, now I'm going to put the lid on and let that cook in my oven for 40 minutes. Oh, in it's gone. Gas mark 7. I'm going to cook that now for 40 minutes undisturbed. Bye! This is 40 minutes in, and I'm just going to give the saag a really good stir. Now I'm going to add my chicken. More mixy, stirry. Once you're satisfied that chicken's been mixed nicely, go in with a pint of hot boiling water. Give it another stir. Really good one. And then back into the oven for another 40 minutes to cook. Chicken will be succulent, that saag will be so silky. It's gonna be a corker. Right guys, 40 minutes into cooking, and look at that beautiful saag. That chicken is gonna be tender. So all I'm gonna do now is gonna crank the heat up on my oven to gas mark 9, which is the highest it goes, and then for 20 minutes I'm going to cook this off for to get a bit of colorization and a bit of bunning going on. So what I'm going to do is going to cook it off for 20 minutes, open lid, no lid, on the highest setting. So my oven setting will be gas mark 9. Then we'll have another look. And here we have it guys, it's had its 20-minute blast on. Look at that, beautiful. Dive in. Look at this saag chicken guys, beautifully cooked. I've just added some green chilies and fresh coriander to garnish. Yeah, I'm really impressed with that. And it was really easy peasy to cook as well. No having to hover over the hob 24/7. If you enjoyed my video, please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you for watching. Keep posted for more easy peasy, hacked, Salon, curry, vids and much more. Bye!